Now that I've showed you how to create a theme using a blank template, now I'm going to show you how to add a page because since we're starting from scratch. If you go up here and click the plus sign, you will create a page. You can now type in the name of your page. I want to create pages for every subject, so I'm going to click reading. I want this to go, now you need to pick your location obviously, and you can put it up at the top or you can put it underneath of the home. And I want it underneath of the home because I want them to go in order. So then I'm going to go ahead and click create when I'm done with that. Once the page creates, you can now see that it's found linked underneath of home. I can add a description about it. So let's just pretend this week is Journeys, lesson 19, and we can practice, or we can write the skills of the week, and so on and so forth. You can add files if you choose to. Eventually, I will be adding files of the vocabulary that we're practicing and the different pictures for notebooks, things like that. And then you go up and you click save up at the top. And now it's linked underneath of here. Now, if I wanted to click on journeys or reading, excuse me, and I wanted to add a page, I could type in vocabulary, or we could go by lesson. So lesson 19, you could put that under the reading category and click create. Once it has created, you'll see on the side here, it says home. So if you click on home, that takes us to our first page. Then we can click on reading, and then you'll see in here, and then within reading, you'll see there's a sub page of lesson 19 that you could then add all the lesson 19 materials there.